Ma'am, sample computation to for 5.5 loan amount. So yung 6.5 interest rate, ma'am, yun lang yung current rate natin ngayon. Prevailing rate yung ma-apply upon loan release. Ang required salary natin din is around 100 to 120,000.
Okay, times 2.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi dapat at least 40%.
Okay, 40%. Pag 30 years naman,
Pag 30 years
pwede
naman,
30
ma'am.
years loan. Oo, is this?
Pag 30 years, ma'am, actually, maliit lang yung difference na sa 20 years. From 41,000, ang
Naging
monthly payment
34.
naging 34. Sample
Oo.
lang naman po ito.
Yes.
Pero ang required income dyan is around mga 80 to 100,000.
80 to 100,000. 5.5 loanable amount. Okay.
Then, kailangan din, ma'am, and yung 30 years din, ma'am, and yung interest rate natin, subject for approval.
Paano kung si client inabil ang 30 years, tapos nagkapera, nagbagsak ng 500,000, okay lang ba yun?
Yes, ma'am, and we advise...
Or may additional fees?
May additional, ma'am, pero we advise our client na gawin nila yun every year on their anniversary date.
What do you mean? Anniversary date?
Kunwari, ma'am, na-release yung loan January 1, 2024.
Okay.
Anniversary date niya is January 1.
Okay.
So, every January 1, dun siya mag-advance payment, wala siyang processing fee kay disbursement.
Talaga? Tapos mabubuid na yung bank fees?
Mababawasan yung principal
Amount.
ma'am.
Oo, hanggang sa mo fully paid, hindi niya natatapusin yung 30 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Parang in-extend lang niya para hindi mabigat yung monthly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pwede pala yun.
Pwede yun.
Kasi di ba nakapix kayo ng 3 years. So after 3 years, nagkapera ako ng 1 million. Nagbagsak ako ng 1M. Nabawasan siya ng 1 million, 4 million na lang. Pwede yun, no?
Yes, ma'am. Magre-recompute tayo, ma'am.
Magre-recompute.
Hanggang sa maubos na
yung balance niya. And then, wala na siyang utang.
Yes,
Oo.
ma'am.
Okay, that's
And
good.
At that time, ma'am, doon na natin i-transfer yung title
SMPC.
kay client na, ma'am. Kasi,
Ay, kay client pala, oo.
Kasi ma'am, pag nag-bank loan si client, yung title is nasa possession ni bank. Then, technically sa atin, kasi siya may utang, ma'am.
Oo.
And upon,
Hindi ba malulugi si bangko nun? Kasi inabil yung 30 years, tapos nag-early settlement yung client. So wala na silang account doon. Binayaran na eh.
hindi naman, ma'am. And actually, if iisipin mo, ma'am, mas pabot sa client yun.
Mas pabor sa client. Okay. Ay, kasi may bank fees sa una, sa bangko. So meron pa rin siyang income, di ba?
Ma'am, saka may 3 years pa
Ilang
naman.
percent ang bank fees nyo?
2.5 to 3% po ng loan amount.
Hindi siya pwedeng isama sa loan?
Pwede siyang isama sa loan, basta ma'am hindi siya mag-exceed ng 90%. Kasi ang maximum loanable natin is 90% ng total contract price.
Okay.
Wala rin ma'am, ang for bank financing ni type is 80%.
Yes.
Since 90% naman yung maximum namin, pwede natin include si bank fees.
Okay. So, installment na rin niya babayaran, yung bank fees?
Yes. ma'am.
Okay. Yun lang naman yung concern ng mga clients eh. Long-term interest rate, magkanong bank fees, pwede bang i-include? Yun. Tapos yung mga requirements, yun.
Requirements ma'am, basic lang naman kapag locally employed. Application form, IDs.
Ano kung abroad?
Abroad ma'am, same lang din. Magbibigay lang ng certificate of employment, 3 months status payslip.
Okay.
Pero kailangan nila mag-appoint ng loan admin.
Admin. Hindi na kailangan na bank statement, 6 months?
Hindi naman na kailangan ma'am. If employed
kayo?
naman, then mag-verify naman natin yung employment. No need na ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos yung loan admin ma'am, yun yung magre-represent kay client since based siya abroad.
Okay.
So preferably dapat kamag-anak ma'am.
Okay, kailangan meron siya ditong SPA.
Yes,
sa
ma'am.
Pilipinas. Okay. Pero pinapadala nyo rin naman yung documents abroad. Pwede silang pumirma ng LOG.
No, ma'am. Ang pipirma ng loan documents, yung loan admin. Ang pipirmahan ni client abroad is yung special power of attorney.
Okay.
May ipapakon-
Paano kung wala? Wala siyang SPA dito. Nasa abroad silang lahat.
Kailangan, ma'am. Kailangan niya mag-appoint.
Kahit sino yan, kahit di niya kadugo.
Subject for approval yung ganun, ma'am. Kasi preferably
Yun yung
dapat
challenge ng mga clients ko.
na wala ka mag-anak dito, ma'am.
Nandun na sila sa US, sa Europe, then kumuha sila ng property, wala silang kamag-anak dito. Pero gusto nilang kumuha, then after bank financing yung challenge, walang SPA.
Yun, ma'am.
Hindi pwede yung...
Face-to-face basis. I cannot guarantee. Kasi
Okay.
ang ruling ni bangko dapat ka mag-anak.
Okay. gusto ka yun lang naman so far na encounter ko.
Sige, ma'am. If may questions ka pa, ma'am.
Pero okay yan, 30 years. Iano ko, i-offer ko.
Sige, ma'am. Ma'am, lagi lang natin i-disclose, subject for approval.
Subject for approval.
Para wala tayong false promise.
Yes, parang over-promising.
Yes.
Oo. Yes, okay lang yun. At least, thank you so much, ha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anong name mo ulit?
Tim.
Tim, okay. Si Tim.
East West Bank.
Bank officer. Ayan na. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.